I'm okay, kinda being awkward socially, with the fact that the girls don't lose their shit when they look at me. It's okay that I'm not that good at anything, and I don't hit the notes perfectly when I try to sing. Oh, I know I am not alone, so turn the music up and let go. Here's to the rest of us, to all the ones that never felt they were good enough. I wanna hear it for the dazed and confused, the freaks and the losers. Let's put 'em up. Here's to the rest of us. The rest of us. I'm okay, I don't need to be a billionaire. So freaking bad. Am I just fun?